Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video lecture I am going to solve the problems based on real numbers. So exercise number 1.4, second main. Second main is write down the decimal expansion of those rational numbers in question 1 above which have terminating decimal expansions. So students, once again I will repeat the question. Write down the decimal expansion of those rational numbers in question 1 above which have terminating decimal expansion. First one, 13 divided by 3125. So here, solution. We know that 13 divided by 3125 is a terminating decimal expansion. So 13 as it is, and denominator is split as 3125 is split as 5 6 are 30, 1 is remainder, 5 2 are 10, 2 is remainder, 5 5 is 25. And here 5 1 are 5 2 are 10, 5 5 is 25. And next operated by 5, 5 2 are 5 5 are, and again operated by 5, 5 1 are 5 5 are. So 3125 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 13 divided by 3125 is nothing but 5 to the power 5. 5 to the power 5. So here we can multiply and divide by 2 to the power 5. Multiply and divide by 2 to the power 5. Why 2 to the power 5? Because the denominator is converted in terms of 100, 1000, 10,000. So 13 divided by 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5. So 13 into 2 to the power 5 divided by 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 5 is equal to 13 into 2 to the power 5 is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. 2 to the power 5 is 32 divided by, this is written as, because we know a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b to the power m, a into b whole to the power m, that is 5 is equal to 13 2s are 26, 2 is carry, okay, 13 3s are 39, 39 plus 2 41, 416 divided by 10 to the power 5. So is equal to 416 divided by 10 to the power 5 means after 1 5 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 lakh, 416 by 1 lakh. So in denominator how many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. So decimal point after 5 digits, 1 2 3 4 5, put a decimal point after 5 digits, so it become 0.00416. Hence the decimal expansion of 13 by 3125 is 0.00416. And next second one, 17 by 8. Second one, 17 divided by 8. So students, here solution. Given question is 17 by 8, right, as it is, okay, and denominator is split as 2 cube. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So again here multiply and divide by 5 cube, because we have to convert the denominator in terms of thousands, tens or hundreds. Multiply denominator and numerator by 5 to the power 3. So it becomes 17 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power 3 is equal to 17 into 5 cube. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. So 125 divided by 2 cube into 5 cube is equal to 17 5 is 85. Okay, 8 is remainder. Sorry, carry. 17 5 is 85, 8 is carry. 17 2 is 34. 34 plus 8, 42. 4 is carry. 17 1 is 17. 17 plus 4, 21. 2125 divided by, this is written as 2 into 5 whole cube, because we know the formula a cube into b cube means a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m. Therefore 2 cube into 5 cube is nothing but 2 into 5 whole to the power 3 is equal to 2125 divided by pi 2 is 10. 10 cube it is. So 10 cube is nothing but 1000. So in denominator, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. So we can put the decimal point after 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 2.125. 2.125 is the answer. Hence, the decimal expansion of 17 by 8 is 2.125. And next problem, third one. 15 divided by 1600. So here, the standard form of 15 divided by 1600 is 15 and 1600 appears in the same table, PIU table. So operated by PIU. PIU 3 is 15, PIU 3 is 15, 1 is remainder, next it become 10, PIU 2 is 10 and 0 as it is 0. So 3 divided by 320. Now we have to express this in decimal expansion, means the decimal form. So 3 by 320. 320 is split as, or the factors of 320 is operated by PIU. PIU 6 is 30, 2 is remainder, 20, 5 4 is 20. 2, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2 6 is 2 8 is 2 4 is 2 2 is 2 1 is. So 320 is split as 3 divided by 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 to the power 6 into 5. Here 2 power is 6 but pi power is 1. So multiply and divide by pi to the power pi. Multiply and divide by pi to the power pi. So it become 3 divided by 2 to the power 6 into 5 into 5 to the power 5 divided by 5 to the power 5. So it is 3 into 5 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 6 into pi to the power 6, because pi to the power 5 into pi to the power 1 is pi to the power 6. It is in the form of a to the power m into a to the power n. But we know a to the power m into a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. That is pi to the power 6. So 3 into pi to the power 5 divided by 2 into 5 to the power 6, because we know that a to the power m into b to the power m is equal to a into b whole to the power m is equal to pi to the power 5. Pi to the power 5 is nothing but pi is 25, 25 5 is 125, 125 5 is 625, 625 5 is 3125, 3125 divided by 10 to the power 6. Next 3125 into 3, 3 5 is 15, 1 is carry, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9, 9375 divided by 10 to the power 6 means after 1 6 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So how many zeros in denominator? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 zeros are there in denominator. So we can put the decimal point after 6 digits, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. So our answer is 0.0009375. Hence the decimal expansion of 3 divided by 320 or 15 divided by 1600 is 0.009375.